kilometreden evvel bunu götürür.
Huh? Got no business here.
Huh? You need...
Go accident. Fatty.
None of this concerns you. Don't remember.
Kılıççılık görmesin önceden. Zaman bir de ben tahliye çekiyorum yine. Hatırla.
Huh? Do we gotta do this, big boy? Got him! Greetings and fuck...
What are we supposed to do? We get a little brainy sometimes. That's just
Saçları
the
çok
way.
iyi oğlum.
I'm not gonna lose a steady paycheck over it. You can't tell me this city doesn't feel less safe. And it's not just the mugging and the dope pushes. There's something bad underneath it all. Something wrong.
Now, where you running off to, friend? He ain't gonna know what hit him! Boy, I just learned to be so tough now.
Oh, kim böyle mi? Ben oradan gülle aldım.
Someone else kill him? See if he went back to that spot. Fuck, I'll do it. He's still here. Gotta get on!
Öyle bak.
Here and now! I found him! Come on!
Ha, come on. Çabuk bak. Alalım lan. Bir de ben kapını yaklayayım.